think I'm gonna walk across. If I can get over there to the other side, I'm gonna walk over there. Okay, see y'all later. Okay, they got all this brush finally cleared from here. See, this was all blocking the path last summer. And we're gonna go down here and end up on the other side of the lake. Y'all are probably tired of seeing this park, but I mean, there's so much to see in it, and I love it. There's the lake. Guess I need to get my fishing pole all fixed up and get a fishing license for this summer. I did catch a pretty nice sized catfish here one year, and I used to fish a lot when I was a kid. Now I can clean fish, but I don't like eating them after I've been introduced to them. But I'm gonna get over that. I'll get over that. Yeah, so here we are. We're on the other side of the lake here. We were over there. There's the Oriental Garden and the pagoda. And I think it'd be really neat if they keep this kind of cleaned out of overgrowth so this can be a walking path. I think it'd be a pretty cool addition to the park. I mean, you can always go walking. There's plenty of places to walk here, but this is more of a nature trail. Wow, what do I see up here? Oh my gosh, do we have a beaver in this area? Or is this just where somebody has chopped down a tree? And I'll have to get a closer look at this. Oops, under I go. Okay. So girls, what the heck's going on here? See if I can see some teeth marks, or is it hatchet marks? I don't know, it kind of looks like teeth marks. Alrighty. And then there's another downed one over there. Oh God, I love nature. Wow, it kind of looks like we're going to get to walk completely around this lake this way and come out the other side, which is something I've never been able to do before. Oh, this is pretty cool. That over there, maintenance have been using it, but first it was a bathhouse. And way back when they first opened this park and they had this lake here, they used to allow swimming until some little girl drowned. And then that was the end of the swimming. So, I just found this old lighter. I don't know how old it is. It's a Bronson, so it ain't nothing worth anything. But we're still walking here. Oh, the weather's pretty nice. I'm not freezing anything off today. In fact, I'm starting to get kind of hot. Well, we made it to the beginning of the lake, and up there is the highway. So I'm not sure if this trail keeps going or not, but we're going to see. So it looks like there's another little piece of the water the lake. There's a pipe there. So apparently water excess runs through there and into the lake. But this trail does keep on going, so that's neat. Usually it's always Queenie that's in the water. This time it's Silo that's getting down in there and getting muddy. Which reminds me, I really so badly need to clean up my van. Okay, that's probably not going to happen today. So anyway, all the years I've been here, all the times I've been coming to this park, I've never been in this area. So we're just gonna keep on walking. There seems to be a semi kind of trail, and if I don't see y'all, I wish you peace and love, and to thank you for watching my videos. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I took a little tumble and my feet got tangled up. There's not much of a path here. Yeah, you come back and get mommy. But I can see little play areas over there, so I know where I am, and I shall soon be out of this wilderness. Okay. I didn't get hurt when I fell down, but got my pants all dirty. My coat. Ooh. Especially the back of it. I can feel it's wet. So, yeah, when I get home, I'm gonna have to take a shower and wash this coat and these clothes. Alright, guys, I am certainly done now. I've had a very good walk. So, see y'all later. Alright, we have the ball, and we have the girl. And the girl goes after the ball. And we have the Queenie heading to the van.